Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies coming to you live this Thursday, October 24th. I hope everyone is getting ready for Halloween. That is next week. I know that I am. I'm excited for Halloween, but I'm also excited for November 1st, which is next Friday, and we are launching our new subscription box next Friday. So everyone make sure you tune into that Facebook and Instagram Live because we have an amazing subscription box coming out for the month of November. Hey, and since it is almost Halloween, I do want to remind everyone that our Halloween collection is currently on sale. Everything is 25% off. Use promo code OWL 2019, one word, OWL 2019, and you can save 25% off our entire Halloween collection. And so go to God Oil Supplies right now. If you love Halloween as much as I do, get over to our website and buy all of your Halloween stuff right now. It is discounted for Halloween. So, hey, Janine, good morning. Thanks for chiming in on Facebook. I love it when you guys comment, like, share, and, share the essential oil love. And so, if you're watching me live, feel free to always comment. I love to hear from you guys. And so, I am here this Thursday to show you 9 brand new products that we have. We've only had these products for about a month, and we've never formally announced or released them. And so that's what we're going to do today on our Instagram and Facebook Live. So we're going to show you these 9 new products that we have for you guys. And Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she worked tirelessly to create the content for our 9 brand new resource cards. Hey Kim, good morning. How you doing? Thanks for commenting on our Facebook Live video. And so again, we have 9 brand new resource cards that you may or may not know about because we just put them out last month. And so these resource cards are great for a couple reasons. Number one, they're laminated. So on both sides of these resource cards, they're laminated. They're full color. And you might be like, hey, what's the difference between like a resource card and a recipe sheet? And the thing is that these resource cards are just chock full of information that you can keep in, and these are designed to go inside of your content management system notebooks. And so you can keep these informational resource cards in your notebook and keep them with you all the time. And then when questions arise or you need certain information about essential oils, you can always reference these resource cards. And so we have 9 different resource cards. So I'm here today to show you all 9 of these amazing resource cards that, again, Karen, our certified aromatherapist, created. And also, like I said, you can keep them organized inside of your content management system notebook. And so if you don't have one of these, go to God Oil Supplies, pick one up. Remember, all of our content, our labels, recipe sheets, tear pads, resource cards, booklets, everything we make, everything we create is designed to fit inside of our content management system notebook. And our brand new resource cards are no different. And so these are great to have on hand. And so we're going to go through all 9 of these and show you guys what's available right now on gotoilsupplies.com. So let's start with this first one. Substituting essential oils. And we get this a lot because every month we put out our new content inside of our subscription boxes. And people come up to us and they're like, I don't have an orange essential oil. Can I substitute it with a lemon? Or they ask a lot of questions about oil substitutions because sometimes we run out of essential oils or we just don't have them. And so this right here, this substitution resource card is perfect. It goes through, it talks about what oils are good for like skin health and restful sleep, muscle support. And then on the back, it talks about which oils are hot oils and citrus oils and floral and coniferous and resin oils. And so there's a ton of information about the types of essential oils. And then down here, it's like, okay, are you missing these oils? Then you can use these ones right here. And you can see there's just a ton of information on these resource cards. And so if you've ever been like, okay, I need to substitute this essential oil in this blend, what do I use? And now you can turn to this substituting essential oil resource card and get the information that you need. So this one is a must-have for anyone that loves making roller blends or room sprays or anything. This one is a must-have. So substituting essential oils, great resource card, available now on gotoilsupplies.com. All right, that's only number one. Our next resource card is our first aid with essential oil. And so this one is good because it doesn't, again, these are not recipe sheets. These are resource cards that are to help you use your essential oils. And again, these were all created by a certified aromatherapist. And so on this first aid with essential oil, it talks about how to clean a cut, how to help with motion sickness, and how to help with minor burns and, head tension. And then on the back, it talks about, general guidelines for dilution, and it talks about using roller bottles and spray bottles and inhalers and, first aid kit supplies. It gives you a ton of information about how to use essential oils in first aid situations. So this is, again, an amazing resource card. Go check it out on gotoilsupplies.com. All right, next resource card we have is cleaning with essential oils. We get a lot of questions about this one. It's like, how do I use my essential oils to help me clean my home? And so here is, again, a two-sided, chock full of information resource card about cleaning. And it talks about a lot of the essential oils that people use most often when cleaning their home, like orange and lavender, eucalyptus, lemon. So it talks a lot about the essential oils. And then on the back, it talks about supplies to enhance green cleaning, like, salsas and washing soda, cleaning vinegar, borax, baking soda, and then it talks about essential oil cleaning scent combinations, which is super important. So all this information is on this resource card. And so if you love using essential oils for cleaning, go and pick up this Cleaning with Essential Oil resource card right now at gotoilsupply.com. All right, so let's see, that's only 3 of our resource cards. We have 6 more to show you. This one is Reflexology and essential oils. And so one of our designers did an amazing job drawing out this graphic right here, showing you, reflexology points on the bottom of your feet. And so this is a great resource to have if you use essential oils. These are kind of shows you where to apply the essential oil for the area of your body that you are trying to target. So this one is great. And then on the back, again, chock full of information. Talks about reflexology. It even tells you reflexology with the addition of essential oils, like which ones will help. Talks about inhalation, foot soaks, topical applications. Then it talks about like how to support your respiratory system, nervous system, immune system. All this information is on the back side of our Reflexology resource card. And so if you love reflexology, go and pick up this resource card right now. All right, we're almost halfway through. Here we go. Oh, this one is super important. And basically, we created a dilution chart for you guys, and we posted it on our blog. So if you ever needed a quick reference point to like a dilution chart, you can go to gotoilsupplies.com, go to our blog, and you can check this out. So what we did is we put our our dilution chart on our dilution resource card. And so you can see this right here. It tells you like what size bottle, how many drops of oil you would need, plus carrier oil to get certain dilutions. And then it talks about right here, it's like dilution guidelines. It's like, okay, I'm sick. I need a short-term use essential oil. What dilution rate would be safe? And so Karen, our certified aromatherapist, put all these dilution guidelines right here on our essential oil dilution chart resource card. And then on the back, talks about safety guidelines, carrier oils. Again, this is great information. So especially if you're new to essential oils, this information is vital. And so if you you know, if you're with like Doterra, Young Living, you're growing your essential oil business, you introduce essential oils to like one of your friends, family, or neighbors. This is a great gift to give any new oiler, so they know how to properly dilute their essential oils. And so this is a must-have for everyone. So again, go check this out right now. It's on gotoilsupplies.com. Okay, this one, and this also kind of it works with the dilution chart. This one is essential oil use with children, because it is super important that you are safe and cautious when you're using essential oils with children. And so, and we get a lot of questions about this. Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she gets a lot of questions about this. It's like, how do I safely use essential oils with children? And so, and she broke it down super easy on this resource card. It talks about, if you know, 6 to 24 months, 2 to 5 years, 6 to 9 years, 10 years plus. On the back side, there's guidelines of what to do and what not to do with children. And then she also put some super little cute little foot reflexology zones for your children. So again, this, if you have children and use essential oils, or you know someone that uses essential oils that has small children, pick up this resource card for them. This is vital information that they need to have on hand always to help them safely use essential oils with their kids. And so this also right now available at gotoilsupplies.com. Must have for anyone with children. And so our gemstones have been really popular for years, and a lot of people always have a lot of questions about gemstones. It's like, what are they good for? Why would I use them? And so again, Karen developed this resource card right here that is gemstones and essential oils. It talks to you about, there's a ton of different gemstones on here. It talks to you about the gemstone and which oils to use and when to use them. She talks about, you know, the color attributes, mind and emotions, physical elements, what chakras you can use them with, and the essential oils to use. And all the oils are here. Here's the front, here's the back. You can see it's just chock full of gemstones, anything from amethyst to blue tiger's eye to yellow jade to rainbow fluorite. If you need a definitive resource card for gemstones, go pick this one up right here. This has a ton of great information on it. And so, and this one does mention like which chakra is good for which gemstone, which transitions me into our next resource card that we have. Is we actually have a resource card that is specific for chakras. And so this chakra resource card talks about, you know, meditation, affirmations, yoga, gemstones, and suggested uses. And then on the back, as you can see right here, it goes through all 7 chakras, all the way from the root up to the crown, and gives you tons of great information that you will need if you're into chakras. And so if you or anyone you know loves chakras and yogas, this resource card is absolutely perfect to pick up. And again, it's available right now on gotoilsupplies.com. And that was our 8th resource card. And so this one is our 9th and final resource card that we have for you at the moment, because we are always developing new content for you guys here at God Oil Supplies. And so this is the last one that we have. And this one right here is the top 10 must-have essential oils. And this one is Doterra specific. You can see right here we have the top 10 Doterra oils on this one. We talk about, you know, On Guard and Deep Blue and Breathe and Digest Zen on the back. So the top 10 must have essential oils for Doterra are on this resource card. Tons and tons of information. And again, all these resource cards, all of these will fit inside of your content management system. So they're the same size as our labels, list stickers, recipe sheet. They are all the same size, and we just make it so easy for you guys to stay organized. And so if you use Doterra oils, or you know anyone that just kind of signed up for Doterra, this is a must-have. This tells you exactly what to do and how to use those top 10 doTERRA oils. And so that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are our 9 new resource cards that we have put out for you here at God Oil Supplies. Again, I want to reiterate that Karen, our certified aromatherapist, developed this content. It is safe and effective to use. Please, please, please always reference these resource cards whenever you have questions. It'll help guide you through any question that you may have. And of course, if you guys need anything, we are always here. You can always call, email us. We are here for you guys. And so thank you so much for watching this Facebook Live and Instagram Live. I will be back next week, especially on November 1st, showing you our new subscription box. And again, I hope everyone has a happy Halloween. And our Halloween collection is on sale, 25% off. Go to God Oil Supplies, use promo code AL2019, one word, AL2019. Save 25% off our entire Halloween collection. And go and get your resource cards right now from God Oil Supplies. And so until next week, again, I hope everyone has a safe and happy Halloween. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.